Hi, this is John. Welcome to EDUC 2200 Week 4, the future of teaching and learning. I hope you enjoyed Week 3, where we looked at the first 1,000 days of life of the first 3 years and their importance to all of us, but particularly for teachers working with early childhood, primary, and secondary. Look forward to your assessment task for Week 3 as well. Week 4 takes us now to the transition from adolescence to adulthood and what happens in the brain during that absolute important transition in life. The notion of pruning and sprouting is one of the key concepts this week. Pruning is what happens during the process of puberty, where the brain actually pairs off those things we haven't mastered. So if you haven't learned a second language, you haven't learned to play the piano, you haven't learned to say thank you, actually after the period of adolescence into adulthood, it's very difficult for the adult brain to learn things unless they're absolutely engaged. Yet most secondary schools look like they did for me, and I went to high school in the 1970s. So that notion of sit and get, teacher's sage on the stage, the notion of teacher-centeredness is something that this week might challenge. Then there's a notion of sprouting, which if things have been implanted prior to adolescence and moving to adulthood, those things take root and allow you to have those skills for a lifetime. So if you learn to play the piano as a child, if you learn that second language, if you learn to say thank you, you're really likely to do that for your lifetime. So enjoy this week, engage with the material, look forward to your assessment tasks, and thanks. Have a great week.